So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Then guys type HP OfficeJet 8025 all in one. If you have a E 8025E, so no worry, you can follow same method to install. So by default detect the Windows 10. So if you are using different, so choose different OS, select Windows 10 and any which is you using, but installations driver installation downloading same. Okay, click to update and you can see this is driver. So this is software easy start. So on this is required to internet. Okay, and this is driver, basic driver, and this is a printer firmware. Okay, so this is driver, just single click to download. After downloading, just click to single click. Now this is extract data to your system. Then click to yes. Then continue. Then yes. So you can see this is for three type of to install the printer, like wireless, wired and USB. Okay, so if you know about your printer IP address, so select the wireless, and wire you have to wire to connect, select. Then if you have to USB, just click to download. It will detect when you connect the USB to laptop to printer, and then next to install it. Okay.